Your skin is thinning right now. Not next year when you finally notice the damage, not in 5 years when the wrinkles deepen, but right this second as you sit here. The collagen fibers holding your skin firm and tight are breaking down faster than your body can rebuild them, and most people don't realize it's happening until they wake up one morning and suddenly look tired, older, deflated. But here's what the beauty industry will never tell you because it would destroy their billion-dollar empire. The most powerful collagen-boosting ingredients on Earth aren't locked inside expensive serums or injectable treatments. They're simple, natural, dirt-cheap additions you can drop into your daily water that work from the inside out, triggering your body to protect existing collagen, generate new collagen, and create an internal environment where your skin can actually repair itself instead of deteriorating. And I'm about to hand you all 5 ingredients, explain exactly why each one works at the cellular level, and show you how to use them so that 3 weeks from now, people start asking what you did to your face. Collagen doesn't just vanish because you hit a certain birthday. It breaks down because of specific biological processes happening inside your body every single day that nobody warns you about until it's too late. Sugar molecules attach to your collagen proteins in a process called glycation, turning flexible collagen fibers stiff, brittle, and yellow. Your body can't break down this damaged collagen properly, so it just accumulates, making your skin look aged and creased. Chronic inflammation from stress, poor diet, and environmental toxins triggers enzymes that literally digest your collagen faster than you can produce it. Hormonal shifts, especially the estrogen drop that happens during perimenopause and menopause, slash collagen production by up to 30% while simultaneously speeding up breakdown. Free radical damage from UV rays, pollution, and even normal metabolism attacks collagen like acid, weakening its structure, and dehydration at the cellular level means your skin cells can't function properly or manufacture the proteins they need to stay plump and elastic. This is why someone can look fresh at 35 but shockingly different at 45. The damage compounds silently in the background until suddenly it's visible. But these 5 ingredients, when added to your water consistently, address every single one of those breakdown triggers simultaneously. Not with fancy lab-created molecules, but with compounds that have been used in traditional medicine for centuries and are now validated by modern scientific research. Ingredient number 1 is probably sitting in your spice cabinet right now, but almost nobody uses it this way. Cinnamon sticks, not powder, are one of the most powerful anti-glycation tools you can add to water. Let me explain why this matters so much. Every time you eat sugar, bread, pasta, rice, or anything with carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises. Excess sugar floating in your bloodstream starts sticking to proteins throughout your body, including the collagen in your skin. This creates advanced glycation end products that cross-link your collagen abnormally, making it stiff and inflexible. Your skin loses its bounce and softness. Studies show cinnamon compounds help regulate blood sugar spikes, which means less excess sugar available to damage your collagen in the first place. It literally prevents your collagen from hardening and degrading prematurely. Drop 1 cinnamon stick into warm water and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink this after meals when blood sugar naturally spikes, or in the evening. The bioactive compounds release slowly into the water, and your body absorbs them gradually, providing steady collagen protection throughout the day. Don't use powder because it doesn't infuse properly and can irritate your stomach. Whole sticks release their beneficial oils and compounds cleanly into the water. Ingredient number 2 is deeply underestimated and rarely discussed in Western beauty circles, but it's extraordinarily effective for hormonal collagen support. Fenugreek seeds contain natural plant compounds called phytoestrogens that mimic estrogen's effects in your body without the risks of synthetic hormones. Research published in dermatology journals demonstrates that fenugreek extract significantly increases type 1 and type 3 collagen production in skin cells, working primarily through estrogen receptors. Why does this matter? As you age, especially after menopause, estrogen levels plummet. Estrogen isn't just reproductive, it plays a massive role in maintaining skin thickness, moisture retention, and collagen integrity. When estrogen drops, collagen production crashes and existing collagen breaks down faster. Fenugreek helps bridge this gap naturally, but there's another critical benefit most people miss. Fenugreek dramatically improves gut health and nutrient absorption. You could eat the most collagen-boosting foods available, but if your gut isn't absorbing those nutrients, your body never gets the raw materials it needs for collagen synthesis. Fenugreek optimizes your digestive system so vitamins, minerals, and amino acids actually make it into your bloodstream and reach your skin cells. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds overnight in a glass of water. In the morning, drink the infused water on an empty stomach. The seeds release their beneficial compounds overnight, making them immediately bioavailable when you drink it. Some people notice digestive improvements within days. The collagen benefits build gradually over weeks, but they're significant and lasting. Ingredient number 3 is something health-conscious people know about: but most don't understand how powerful it is specifically for skin elasticity and repair. Chia seeds, when properly prepared, offer remarkable anti-aging benefits. The key phrase is properly prepared because incorrectly used chia seeds can cause problems. Never swallow them dry. When dry chia seeds hit liquid, they absorb up to 12 times their weight and expand dramatically. If you swallow them dry, they can swell in your throat or digestive tract, causing blockages. But when soaked correctly, they become one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds for skin health. Omega-3s are essential fats your body cannot manufacture. You must get them from food. These fats get incorporated into cell membranes throughout your body, including skin cells, where they reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Chronic inflammation triggers enzymes that break down collagen faster than your body replaces it. Chia seeds calm this inflammatory cascade, protecting existing collagen from degradation. They also provide zinc and magnesium, which are required cofactors in the enzymatic processes that build new collagen strands. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water and let it sit for at least 30 minutes, though overnight is even better. The seeds form a gel-like consistency. Drink this in the morning. It provides sustained hydration and energy throughout the day. The omega-3 fats help your skin retain moisture, giving it that plump, dewy appearance associated with youthful skin. Ingredient number 4 addresses a mistake almost everyone makes with hydration that sabotages their skin without them knowing. Most people think drinking more water automatically equals better hydration, but that's not how cellular hydration actually works. Your cells need electrolytes and trace minerals to pull water inside cell membranes and use it effectively. Without minerals, water rushes through your system without hydrating cells properly. This is where trace mineral salt becomes essential, not regular table salt, which is stripped and processed, but high-quality mineral-rich salt containing magnesium, potassium, calcium, and zinc. These minerals are critical for collagen synthesis and the enzymatic reactions that repair skin damage. Magnesium alone participates in over 300 biochemical reactions, including the processes that build and maintain collagen. Zinc is required for enzymes that cross-link collagen fibers, giving them strength and structure. Potassium maintains fluid balance inside and outside cells, affecting how nutrients reach your skin and how waste gets removed. Add a small pinch of quality mineral salt to your water bottle. You're not flavoring it. You're transforming plain water into a cellular hydration solution your body can actually utilize. Drink this especially in the first half of the day. Most people wake up dehydrated after 7 or 8 hours without fluid. That dehydration affects everything: energy, mood, skin appearance, even cognitive function. Starting your morning with mineralized water gives your body the tools for proper hydration and optimal function. Within days, you'll notice your skin looks more plump and radiant. Ingredient number 5 is probably the most researched anti-aging beverage in existence. Green tea, and its concentrated form matcha, contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, thicken galate. Multiple studies prove EGCG protects collagen fibers from breakdown, inhibits enzymes that degrade collagen, reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, and stimulates production of new collagen. Research shows EGCG specifically inhibits matrix metalloproteinases, the enzymes your body uses to break down collagen. While some breakdown is normal for tissue remodeling, excessive enzyme activity accelerates aging. EGCG keeps these enzymes balanced. Green tea doesn't directly create collagen. Instead, it creates the optimal internal environment where your body can produce collagen naturally and where that collagen survives and functions instead of being immediately damaged and degraded. Think of it like planting seeds in rich protected soil versus planting them in poor soil filled with pests. Same seeds, drastically different results. Green tea creates that protected environment for collagen. Steep 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose green tea in warm, not boiling, water for 3 to 5 minutes. Boiling water destroys beneficial compounds. Drink this in the morning or early afternoon. Avoid evenings because green tea contains mild caffeine that might disrupt sleep for sensitive people. Consistency matters more than quantity. 1 cup daily, consumed regularly over weeks and months, provides more benefit than sporadic use. Here's what ties everything together. These 5 ingredients work synergistically, meaning, they actually enhance each other's effects when used together. Cinnamon protects collagen from sugar damage. Fenugreek supports hormone-related collagen production and ensures nutrient absorption. Chia seeds reduce inflammation that breaks down collagen. Mineral salt enables cellular hydration, so collagen production happens efficiently. Green tea creates the protective environment where all this occurs without constant oxidative damage. You don't need all 5 every single day, though you can if you want. Even just rotating through them or using 2 or 3 consistently produces noticeable results. But here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Knowledge without action is completely useless. You can watch 100 videos about collagen and anti-aging. You can learn every scientific detail, but if you don't actually implement even one practice, nothing changes. Your collagen continues breaking down. Your skin continues aging at its current accelerated pace. Start with just one ingredient this week. Maybe it's cinnamon in your afternoon water. Maybe it's soaking fenugreek tonight to drink tomorrow morning. Maybe it's committing to 1 cup of green tea every morning. Pick one thing. Start there. Build the habit. Then add another when you're ready. Changes won't happen overnight. Collagen production and skin regeneration are gradual processes taking weeks and months to become visible, but they will happen if you stay consistent. Your skin will look more radiant and plump, fine lines will soften, texture will improve, your complexion will have that healthy glow from true internal health, not makeup. This is Infotainment, where we give you science-backed solutions that actually work without the industry markup. If these 5 collagen-boosting ingredients sound worth trying, hit subscribe because next week I'm showing you the exact meal timing strategy that helps your body produce human growth hormone naturally while you sleep for faster recovery and fat loss. Drop a comment and tell me which ingredient you're starting with first. I read every single one. See you next time.